Hello student. Now we are going to see the next C++ program, that is to calculate the area of circle, area of circumference by using the class. Now see how to do that program. Now I am going to open the Turbo C++. Go to the file menu and take the new file. Okay, so we'll see how to do the program. So I will just give the name that circle area, that is to calculate the area of circle and the circumference. In a comment I put, now include the header file hash include iostream.h iostream.h. Second file hash include conio.h. So we require these two header files. Now I am going to write the class. Name of the class is circle. Okay, so I define the class. Now in a private section I am going to declare the variables. Now we can take the variable in the form of the integer or in the form of the double or float also. So here I am going to take the variables that I am going to declare, that is a float type. When we declare any variable as a float data type, that time we can accept the value having the decimal point. For example 2.5, 3.6, 9.7, etc. To store that type of the values, we are going to declare the variable as float data type. So here I declare the three variables, that is the float x, y and r. So I put the comment here, declaration of variables. Now next I am going to declare the function, that is a member function, two variables, that is to store the result. So first one is the area 1, it will going to store the area, that is the area of the circle, and second one variable is that circum. So in these two variables I am going to store the result. Again it is the declaration of variables. Okay, so here the declaration of the variable finish. Now under the public section I am going to declare some member function. So first member function is that void assign. So what is that void assign function? It is one function that is not going to return any value, so that I put the return type as void. Then second one is the void area, declaration of the function. Then third function that I am going to declare circumf. This is the one more function, and the one more last function, that is a print. Okay, so these functions are the function that is we required assign, that is to assign the values for the variable, and void area to calculate the area of circle, void circumf to calculate the circumference, and the void print to display the result. So all these are the nothing but the declaration of function. So I write declaration of the function. Okay. Now after the declaration of the function, here I am going to close the class. So what I did just in a class circle is there. Under the private section I declare the three variable x, y, r and the float, area 1 and the circumference. These five variables are there, and under the public section I declare the four member functions are there. Now I am going to define the function one by one. So I am going to write the void, as the return type of the function is void. So I am going to write the void circle. Now void a circle and the scope resolution operator. Why? Because these function I am going to define outside the class. so that the scope resolution operator I am going to use. So first function that I am going to define, that is the assign function. So here I put the comment definition of function. Okay, so close function bracket, then open the body of the function. So in this, by using the cout statement, I am going to accept the value from user. So I am going to write the enter the value. So which value we required over here? That is the x and the y coordinate. So I write the values for x and y coordinates. Okay, so this is the first two values that I am going to accept from the user. Then these two values I am going to read, that is the x and y. Okay, so this is the first two values by using the cout function, and the next value for the radius, that again I am going to accept from the user. So I will put the message for the user that enter the radius and read this value, that is r. Okay, so here also we can put the comments, accept the value from user, and this one is the read the values, seen, read the values. And second, that is enter, accept radius from user, accept the value for radius from user. Okay, and same, read the value. So I put the comment for all these. Read the value means it is going to read the radius. Okay, so this is about the assign function. So close the body. So what I did in assign function, void circle assign. Void is a return type, circle is the name of the class, and the scope resolution operator, because we are defining this function outside of this class. Here I close the class and the semicolon. So assign function. Now in this function I am just accepting the values from the user that we require for the calculation. So this is about the assign function. Now next function I am going to define, that is the scope resolution operator. Circle area function is there. Okay. So here I again put the comment function definition. Okay, then open the bracket. So it's same, void return type, circle is the name of the class, scope resolution operator and the name of the function. Scope resolution operator because this function we are going to define outside the class. Now in this we are going to calculate the area of circle. So what is the variable we declared to store the area? That is the result, that is the area 1. So in this we are going to write the formula 3.14 into r into r. This is the formula to calculate the area of circle, and close the function bracket. That is simple. Void circle, scope resolution operator, name of the function, inside the body of the function, area 1. This is the variable we declared over here, float area 1. Okay, in this variable we are going to store the result. So just I put the comment, calculate area of circle. Okay, so this is about the next function, that is the area. Now we are going to calculate the circumference. Again void, name of the class, scope resolution operator and the name of the function. What is the name of the function is there? Circumf. So inside this we are going to write the circumference calculation. So definition of function. This is the comment I am going to put over here. Then open the bracket for the body. So here circum f. Now which variable we declared over here? that is a circum. So in this variable we are going to store the circumference of circle. So what is the formula? 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into r. So this is the formula to calculate the area, that is the circumference of circle. So I am going to put the comment over here. Calculate circumference of circle. So this is the simple formula that we calculate and store the result in variable circum and close the body of the function. Now next function is there, that is the void print function is there, which function is used to display this all the output. So void circle scope resolution operator and the name of the function. Name of the function is print. So definition of function. Now what we are going to display over here. So first Cout, in that we are going to display x, comma, y coordinates. So whatever the coordinates entered by the user, that we are going to display over here. So it is stored in a x and stored in a y, and end L, that is the end and new line. So first we are going to display the coordinates. Now second what we are going to display over here, that is the radius is. What is the radius entered by user, that also we are going to display. In which variable it is stored? It is stored in a R variable. So R is going to display over here and end L, semicolon. Then next we are going to display over the area of circle. The area of circle is, in which variable it is stored? That is the area 1. So that variable we are going to print over here and the end L, semicolon. And the next we are going to display the circumference. The circumference of circle is, in which variable it is stored? It is stored in a circum variable that we print here and end L, semicolon. Okay, so and close the function body, that is the print functions body. So here we display the xy coordinates, x, y and the radius is r, then the area of circle is area 1, the circumference of circle is circum. So this is about the whatever the functions we declare, that is the assign function to accept the value from user, area function to calculate the area of circle, circum f function to calculate the circumference of circle, and the print function to display the value. So which value we displayed over here? X and y coordinate, which is entered by the user. It is from the assign function. Then the radius, that is the r, again it is from the assign function. The area of circle is, that is circum area function is there. From this it is going to display, and the circum, it is going to display the circum f function. So this is about the definition of the function. Now we are going to write the main function. In main function, first we write the clear screen function to clear the previous data. Now we are going to create the object circle C1. So here I write the creation of object. Okay, so C1 is the object. Now through the object we are going to call all the function. So first function we write the assign, semicolon. So call assign function through object. Okay, next C1 dot is the operator. Second function we are going to call area function semicolon. So same, call our area function through object. Here object is the C1 is the object. Next, C1 dot circum f function is there. Circum f. So this function is going to display the circumference of circle. Call circum f function through object. And the last function C1 dot print. This is the function in which it is going to display anything for the user. Call print function through object. Okay, and at the last get ch is there, and close the body for the main function. So what we did in a main function, clear screen function, create the object of the class circle, and through that object we call all the function what we defined. So assign function we defined, area function we defined, circum f function we defined, and the print function. To call that function, it is going to execute. Now when the program is executed, first we are going to compile the program. Okay, so when the compilation process takes place, the control comes in a main function, then it clear screen function execute, then the circle C1 it is the object is created, then C1 dot assign. When the control come over here, C1 that assign, then it goes to the assign function. So what we did in assign function, we accept the values from the user. Then when the values is going to read that x and y, then it will come to the declaration part and it is going to check that one. Okay, so it is about the assign function. Then second function, C1 dot area. When the control comes over here, then it is going to execute this function, void circle scope resolution operator area. So it will calculate the area of circle and it is going to store over here. And then next function is going to execute C1 dot circum. So control come here, void circle scope resolution circum f, and it will execute this part. And the last C1 dot print function. So when the control comes, it will come here, void circle scope resolution operator print, and it will display all this data. That is the cout xy coordinate xy, cout the radius is r, the area of circle is area 1, and the circumference of circle is circum. And when all the it comes to the get ch, so it will stop the program. Now I am going to compile the program. So if there is the error, it will find the error. So there is no any error. I am going to execute the program. Okay, we have to enter the values. Suppose I enter the 4.5 and 1.2. Okay, now I am going to enter the radius as 9. Okay, so it will display x and y coordinate, that is the 4.5 and 1.2, that is I enter over here 4.5 and 1. The radius is 9. The area of circle is 254.33996 and the circumference of circle is 56.52. So it will call all the function accordingly. So this is the above print output of the program. Okay, so this is the program for to calculate the area of circle and the circumference in a class. So how? What is the use a concept here? So here we use the concept of the object, and through the object how we are going to access the different function.